Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to talk about building a bundle, and I'm going to specifically use Americana to do so, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. All right, guys, I need your advice. I've got a lot of Americana things that I sell, and I want your advice on what would be interesting to you. What would you buy, okay? So let me kind of walk through some of the things that I have. This is all in reference to building you an Americana bundle, okay? So Patriotic, we got 4th of July coming up. We got some other holidays that go along with that, but we've got various different options. So I've got a really blinged out USA flag hat with rhinestones and stars. It's got the flag here on the brim. It's really not that heavy. It's a typical hat. It's got a leather adjustable strap in the back. So there's that one with the dark wash jean. Here's a lighter one, which is the one I have on currently right now. So you can kind of see what it looks like when you wear it. It's not absolutely huge and gigantic, but it's got the American flag. It's got some blinged rhinestones. It's not quite as blingy as the other one. Same thing, leather backing on the back, and that's a lighter wash. Then, of course, we've got your totally bedazzled one here, USA on the front, very, very dark wash, not as distressed looking as the other two, also a leather strap on the back. And then I've got my various Americana purses. These are called messenger bags, and this is typically, I've got one unwrapped. This one has cute fringe on it. It's got a little pocket in the back that you could use for a concealed carry, but a lot of people say it's a little too small, but it does run the whole length. And then it's got a long chain, and so it's actually a crossbody bag, and it's perfect for on the go. And then it's got some pockets on the inside. It's got 2 pockets on the inside, and so that's an idea of what kind of these bags are. But I've got this fringe one. I've got a traditional square American flag, and then I've got one with kind of an angled American flag look. And then I've also got wallets. This comes with an actual crossbody bag length strap on it, but this is a typical wallet, and so you could use that just like a crossbody bag too. And then I've got the matching purse. So like this matches with this and this, so you could get all 3. And then this is actually, yes, a concealed carry bag. It's a really good size, got multiple pockets on the inside, and then it's got the 2 pockets on the back for a concealed carry. You don't have to put a weapon in there, but it's definitely listed as a concealed carry. And so that's a really good price for those. And so I'd like to bundle those with maybe a hat. And then of course, nothing screams America like bullet flashlights. These are super bright, as you can see, and there's gold ones. They have the LED lights in them, gold, silver. I've got one that's gunmetal silver, and then I've also got ones that are brown and silver. And so for the various different things. So these are kind of more like, this is kind of women's stuff. And then this would be kind of more like women can definitely have these, but this is kind of my men's section back here. So I've got various different styles of hats. So I've got a black one. It's got the mesh back trucker with an adjustable thing, and it's got an embroidered flag. So this one's black on black. This one is a gray one. This one is olive with a khaki back. And then this one is really neat. This one's actually much softer hat. Much more flexible. It's got the mesh backing, but it's a much softer one. It's also got Velcro. And then this is the cool thing about it, if you want to get in real close. This is an American flag patch. A lot of you who have been in the military, like I have patches that you like. You can put Velcro on the back of them and put them on the hat. You can either leave this as a USA, but this is removable so that you can actually put your unit patch on there if you so choose. It's also got a flag here as well. And so, and I think some of these have, yeah, these have USA embroidered on the back of them. All of these do right here. So here's kind of my men's section, ladies section. What would you suggest? Would you suggest a men's and a ladies gift bundle set so you could have a pair? So it'd come with a purse, a hat, a men's hat, and a bullet so that it fits both, so you can kind of like a couple's gift bundle? Or would you want just a ladies bundle? And which purse would you choose? Would you choose the larger size purse, the messenger bag one? Which hat would you prefer? And so I would like you to kind of vote for me in the comment section below. We've got American flag USA brim. We've got silver USA brim, and then we've got the silver, the plain like the less bedazzled American flag. I would say that this would be called the light wash denim hat. And so light wash denim hat, American flag USA, or silver USA hat. And then we've got the various colors of men's hats. We've got the olive and khaki, the gray, the patch green hat, and the black on black. And then the various different kinds of bullets. These are actually mini 50 caliber bullets. 50 caliber bullets are about that big, I know, because I've actually shot the weapon before, but they're usually about double in length size than what we've got here. So those are 50 caliber. What colors would you prefer if you had to choose? And then we've got the full size concealed carry bag, and then we've got the various messenger bags, the fringe, the traditional square, and then the angled American flag, and then we have the wallet. So if you have a preference for if I was going to make a bundle, which ones would you choose? Which hats, which purses, which men's hats, and which color bullets would you prefer in a bundle? And I'd love to make that bundle for you and make it available on hookedonpickin.com or even my Poshmark store. So let me know. This is kind of an idea of what I do for bundles and how I put things together. Obviously, you see that it's Americana themed, but you may have something else that you like that's themed in something that you prefer or that you can acquire differently than me. And so go ahead and make those themed out things and make yourself a bundle and get that moving for gift sets for other people. So hope this has been helpful on how to build a bundle, and one that I'm going to have available with your input. So leave that down in the comment section below, and then I will leave a link to my Hooked on Pickin store and my Poshmark store and my eBay store all below. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.